Queen Desira Kishan J. Castro, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. King Kerwin N. Castro of Alibag, Saprok, Dagupan City, was born on 29 of April. She aspired to become both an obstetrician and gynecologist. Her hobbies include singing, dancing, and riding a bike. She also loved to skate. Her Majesty is in the first grade and is an advisee of Mrs. Geraldine A. Claveria. Ladies and gentlemen, we all stand to welcome our new King and Queen of Mr. and Mrs. BSES 2025. King Chris Liven Q. Pelaganas and Queen Desira Kishan J. Castro. Let's give them a big round of applause.